When the opposition talks about lawlessness, they should keep these facts in mind. I have attended so many Make in Odisha conclaves. Whenever an investor meets me, the first remark he makes is, what a peaceful state Odisha is. We are happy to come and invest because of the law and order situation and the peaceful nature of the state. No investor comes for investing his hard-earned money if law and order situation is not good. Odisha attracts, as all of you know, huge investments because it is a peaceful state. When we host international events like the World Cup hockey, our state is specifically appreciated for the law and order situation and peaceful nature of its people. Anyone who comes to Odisha or anyone who cares about Odisha, the first impression is what a peaceful and beautiful state Odisha is. Odisha is progressing, and that I'm sure all of you will admit that we are progressing in all fields. People are peace-loving, and I'm proud of our people. By accusing the state of lawlessness, you are insulting the people of Odisha. You are doing injustice to the peaceful and peaceful people of our state.